Let's see if the noise will get loud. There you go, get loud again. Where is it coming from? Is it gone? Okay, let's leave it for another 1 minute. Okay. Seriously, it really sounds like an airplane passing by somewhere up in the sky, but it's weird, very strange sound coming from the top of the sky. Now let's see again if it will come back. Seems like it's gone. Let's see. Give it 1 more minute. Back again. Louder. Louder. Oh my god, that hurts. Okay. This could go on like, what time is it? I think it's already 3 p.m. Just started 3 p.m. Singapore time. Hearing this strange sound up in the sky. Never heard this before in my life. This is the first time I've heard something like this. Really strange. I don't know where it's coming from. As you can see, airplanes pass by, you can hear it just, the sound will just pass by quickly, right? But this one, it keeps coming back. Weird. There's no strange happening.